In this video I will show how to control RC car using Android device. So let's start. This line opens data port at speed 9600 byte per second. Inside loop method we are checking data availability. If data is available, we are converting to command. If command equals to F, we call method forward. If command equals to B, we call method backward. Now we will upload code to the board. As you can see, we are getting error. How to fix this error? In order to fix this error, we should turn off HC06 Bluetooth module. Let's do it. Now we turned off HC06 Bluetooth module. Let's upload the code one more time. Now we uploaded code to the Arduino board. Next step, to pair Bluetooth connection. Open settings, open Bluetooth, turn on Bluetooth, click scan, select HC06, type 1234, click OK. Now HC06 Bluetooth module is paired. Next step is to open Play Store. Type Bluetooth terminal. Select Bluetooth terminal by Juan Sebastián Ochoa Zambrano. Install this application. Application is downloading. Now application is installed. Let's open it. Here select HC06 Bluetooth module and click connect. Now it's connected. Let's send command F. As you can see, now it's moving forward. Send command B. As you can see, now it's moving backward.